Aloha, Jackie here. Paper pumpkin time. I wanted to get on here to share this month's paper pumpkin with you. Berry Comforting, December 2020. So we do get Rich Razzleberry Stampin' Spot. Stamp. Bear. Get well soon. You're on my mind. Hooray. Communication about the new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And then here we go. Very comforting. Let's open this up. I'm gonna get my scissors. And let's open this one up. Looks so cute. Wow, we got a whole entire sheet of Stampin' Dimensionals. We got 3 of those. Some envelopes. Trying to get them to go all one way there. Oh, let me turn on. Do we need light or is it too bright for light? Are we okay with light? We got these card bases. We got these. We got these card bases. And these card bases. And these. Okay, let's see here. Here's the instructions. And then in the back, it tells you what your kit comes with. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors. And then additional cards or items that we could make with the items in this month's kit. Okay, let's go ahead and get some of this done, or maybe one. Let's go ahead and get some of this out for us in case we need them. Try to stay in view this time. A present, flower, cupcake, cute heart. Don't know how many of that we're gonna need. This. Okay, I'll go ahead and punch these all out. Oops. Oh, this is connected as one. Okay. So it looks like there was 4 cards each. So 12 cards? Yeah. Cute. Get a block. The block came with your first stamp. And we're going to put that on the block. And I am gonna use my big stamp pad, okay? And I like You're on My Mind. You can tell my block is very dirty there. Sorry for the sniffles. I'm not sure where that's coming from. And then the next one is Hooray. And Hooray goes on the, are they the same size? Bigger one? Yeah, Hooray will go on the bigger one. Oh, what? I already got ink on there. In the center. Oh, these stamp real beautifully. Oh, came out really nice. Love it. And then this one is Get Well Soon. I forgot to bring my cleaner with me. Okay, so I've stamped all of that. Now looking at the instructions, we're going to take this one. Goes with this one. And we need this one. I am going to go ahead and get my bone folder. You can hear me looking for my bone folder. Bone folder. Take one of these circles. Yeah, it looks like they popped everything up today, huh? Because they provided us with a whole sheet here. Oh, I already took that one off and oh, it fell off. And then put it in the center. And it looks like these guys are holding on to the cupcake. Oh, cute, yeah. Like that. So cute. Then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to put the dimensional to help hold on to it. Like that. And then since I have the dimensionals in my hand, let's just put it on here too already. Yeah. Take these off. And this one here goes here. And Hooray below. Cute. Then let's do the next one. I can go ahead and close this or put something in it. This is the bear. Oh no, this is not the bear. This is this one here. Get well soon, and a heart, And the raccoon. Everything's gonna get popped up again. I like these backings are coming off really easy. I'm popping him up too. And heart. I see. Coming off really good. And on the sentiment. And this is centered. Center. Oh, this one didn't come off. And then he's more towards the top, leaving space for the sentiment here on the bottom. And then the heart, it's like he's holding the heart here to the side. And then just following and putting it a little higher. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so we got one more to go, and it goes with this one. Phone folder. And yes, everything will be popped up again. Sure not to pop him up or seal that off. No, it goes with You're on My Mind. So let's put dimensionals on everything here. Oh, sorry for the sniffles, guys. Sorry for the sniffles. I'll put one on there, but I'm not gonna put it did I take them all off? Oh, got a couple I'm missing. Oh. Okay, then that's centered. Making sure I got the card in the right way. Center that. Then I'll take my bear. And then maybe I'll put the flower in now since I can control his arm. And I'm going to put the flower in so that he's holding it. So cute, yeah. And then look, the dimensional gave it some dimension. Putting him on, centering him. I like how these gold accents are coming out from behind him. And then You're on My Mind here on the side. So cute. I like that. I like that. And of course, here's the envelopes. Oh, they have an area here. I didn't notice that earlier. For you to write the address. And of course, it's matching. And then let's bring our cards back in. That was pretty quick, yeah? Pretty quick. So cute, these cards. Oh, I love them. Well, thank you for joining me today. Thumbs up if you like this tutorial regarding the Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin December 2020. Very comforting. Come back again soon. Thumbs up. Thanks. Subscribe. Bye.